Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix WhatsApp notification not working on iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check WhatsApp notification. For this, tap on settings, tap on notifications, scroll down to the WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp and enable allow notifications. Now enable the sound and bass option and you are done. And the next step is turn on WhatsApp sounds. For this, go to the WhatsApp settings, tap on notification, tap on sound, then pick the sound you want and tap on the save option and you are done. And the next step is turn off the do not disturb setting option. For this, tap on control center, tap on do not disturb to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is force restart your iPhone. If you're still not getting WhatsApp notification on your iPhone, the best thing you can try is to force start your device. For this, press the volume down, volume up button quickly, then keep pressing the side button until you see the Apple logo and reset your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp again. Just delete the app from the main screen by long press on it, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, delete again to confirm and download it from the App Store. But if you have important data on WhatsApp, backup it before deletes and you are done. And the next step is check network connections. Just reset your network settings and check if the WhatsApp notification works or not. For this, go to the settings, go to the generals, scroll down to the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset network settings, enter the passcode and tap on reset network settings again to confirm. Please remember that this method will remove all your network settings like Wi-Fi password. So make sure to write the password down or you will get into another trouble after performing the method. And you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this, go to the settings, tap on generals, scroll down to the transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on reset all settings, enter the passcode and tap on reset all settings once again in order to verify the process. Finally, you can test if WhatsApp notification works or not on your iPhone now. Reset all settings and you are done. And the next step is update iOS to latest version. For this, go to the settings, tap on generals, tap on software update, wait until the page is loading, see if there is any update available. Tap download and install if any update is pending. If the installation is improper and causing trouble, you may downgrade your iOS or delete the software update and reinstall it. Remember to back up your iPhone before downgrading and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issues of WhatsApp notification not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.